Hello students, so we are doing chapter organic chemistry, and yes, in the yesterday video you discussed what is organic chemistry and which type of compounds are present in organic chemistry, like carbon forms bond with the oxygen, it forms bond with the hydrogen, with the other atoms with nitrogen. But when carbon forms bond with the hydrogen like this, between carbon and hydrogen, like suppose example methane, then those are known as the hydrocarbons. When it forms bond with the oxygen and hydrogen, these are known as a carbohydrates, like glucose, sucrose, fructose. So these are the carbohydrates. Now these compounds, about that, like nomenclature of these compounds, this we have already discussed. Now today we will discuss about the nomenclature. That nomenclature is IUPAC nomenclature of these organic compounds. IUPAC nomenclature, that is the Indian system, Indian Union, that system for that nomenclature of these compounds. In this, like any organic compounds, that is divided into main three parts. First one is prefix, second is word root, and third is suffix. Now prefix, again it's into two: primary prefix and secondary prefix. Primary prefix means like when there is a single bond between carbon and carbon, or there is a double bond between carbon and triple bond. Like for the single bond we are using ane, for double bond is ene, for triple bond is ine. These are the these are the suffix. Okay? And when there is a carbon, two carbons are attached, or one single carbon is there, like methane, or three carbons. Prefix for these is meth, eth, prop. For the 4 carbon it is but, for the 5 carbon it is pent, or for the 6 carbon it is hex. So these are the prefix, primary prefix. And secondary prefix means like when the halogens are attached. Halogens like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So these are the halogens. When these are attached, these are as a prefix. Like for the fluorine, word fluoro is used. For chlorine, for word chloro is used. For bromine, word bromo is used. Iodine, iodo is used. So these are the